The Chicago Sky find themselves in a perplexing situation as they navigate the current landscape of the WNBA. There are uncertainties about the team's direction, especially concerning their roster moves and potential rebuild strategies. The discussion highlights the Sky's interest in Angel Reese and the implications of the trade with the Minnesota Lynx, which included the 8th overall pick and a pick swap in 2026. This has raised questions about whether the Sky are intentionally aiming for a lower performance to secure a better draft position in the future. Key players like Mel Onery and Dana Evans have been offered qualifying offers, indicating the team's intention to retain talent, while Kennedy Carter did not receive an offer, making her an unrestricted free agent. The decision not to offer Carter a qualifying deal is seen as a strategy to create space and possibly rebuild the team's culture after last season's struggles. Despite her scoring ability, concerns about Carter's commitment and locker room dynamics have influenced the Sky's decision-making. As the Sky look to the future, their lack of a first-round pick adds to the complexity of their situation. There's a possibility they could become one of the league's lower-performing teams, which could be detrimental given their draft capital. The speaker expresses confusion over the team's choices, particularly in light of their current roster and potential for success. The discussion concludes with a call to recognize Kennedy Carter's talent, suggesting that if she can stay focused, she could be a significant asset for any team in the league.